How do you make 1 crore while you are traveling? See, I'm right now in Estonia. We're going to Dubai, then US, then Canada. You see, I travel the world and I can still make crores. 5 years ago, I did not have this life. I was sitting in a desk job, trading time for money, not knowing my passion. I realized that, man, when would I make 1 crore? I was making 36 lakhs a year. And I realized making money is not that difficult in today's time. We are living in beautiful times that all you need is your knowledge, your passion, and your internet magical device, your cell phone and other things. Anybody who has these three combination, knowledge, passion, and the device, you can make 1 crore. There are multiple ways. The reason why people do not make a lot of money because they're still in the job, they don't know what to do, they're still taking time for money. Or if you create a product or service which you can sell it for 10,000 rupees per month, all you need is 100 clients to make 1 crore. That's it. But how? Which product should I build? How do I build the product? I've never done this before. Guess what? I did not do it either. I learned it from my mentors and I've been teaching to my mentees. Hundreds and thousands of people have joined, and I'm going to share this with you as well. There is a webinar which is happening. Click the link, join the webinar where I share with you the 7-step process on how I have done it, that I can travel the world and I can still make crore plus. Anybody can. Click the link. I will see you in the webinar. Please book your seat right now because I may not do this very often. Seats are getting full, thousands of people joining. I'm doing it at a very discounted rate right now, which may not stay for a very long time. So join the webinar and I have some bonuses for you as well. I show you how do you make 1 crore in a genuine, authentic way, not get rich quick, not MLM, not network marketing, and a genuine way of finding your passion and converting that into a real business. Click the link. I'll see you soon.